So today we played the Blackstone Golf Course in DeFuniak Springs, Florida. Technically this is located, as locals would call it, in Mossy Head, Florida, but the address says Blackstone in DeFuniak Springs, so we'll take that. Here we are on our way to the pen over on the first hole. This was the second hole is coming up here, so we were just taking some practice swings. This was just an absolutely beautiful golf course, rolling hills. It is, there's some areas where there's some repair being done, and some of the greens have some repair, or they are, healing some of the grass there. But overall, for us, I think it was $35 a piece for us to play on this beautiful spring day. It was a Saturday, and don't quote me on the prices. The prices can change at any time, but we had just a great time. For $35, it was a heck of a deal for a great game. The clubhouse is beautiful. The grill is pretty decent. They have a full bar as well, which is terrific if you're interested in that. The pro shop was pretty decent. We were able to grab everything we needed. We were able to hit some balls ahead of time. We got there a little early, and we got out to the driving range. It was just a really nice experience. There was a extremely friendly fox squirrel that came and hung out with us around the first or second hole, and he visited us for a minute. He was just hanging out. I think he may receive some snacks from some of the players, but he came and got really close. He was very, very sweet to look at. And there he is now, our little fox squirrel. We're gonna name him Henry. There we are at the 12th hole. It is pretty toasty out there today, but we're glad that there was some cloud coverage here and there. These little bridges were just very cute, very cool to look at. You could look over and see some water or some marsh area. The hazards on this golf course were pretty tricky, but I handled them a lot better than I thought. But made it all the more fun. There are some areas where there's big ravines, and there's some areas where there are just water hazards. More than anything, there's those, basically a big ditch dug out where there's a creek that flows, and it's down a hill or it's up a hill. But we really enjoyed those holes. That was a lot of fun to overcome those obstacles, those hazards. But we had just a great day out here. If you ever want to check out this golf course, I highly recommend it. It's worth the ride to DeFuniak Springs. And if you ever need a realtor or decide to buy or sell in the Emerald Coast of Florida, I'd love to help you. My name is Sonia Rankin, realtor with Realty One Group Emerald Coast. Thanks for watching.